The orgasm gap between men and women is shrinking, which can be attributed to changing attitudes about female sexuality and less stigmatization of certain sexual activities. Whether they are improving our health, strengthening our brain function, or making us happier, orgasms clearly deserve recognition. Facts Only brings you a few stimulating orgasm facts that you should know. Let's get it on. More young women are now reporting reaching orgasm than ever before. Millennials are not afraid of some additional help in reaching their pleasure goals. A French idiom for orgasm translates to the little death. Orgasms relieve stress. Orgasms will help lessen menstrual cramps and can even shorten your periods, that is, if you have period sex. There is a website and art project called Orgasm Library of Real Sounds, which you can listen to or submit to a curated archive of real female orgasms online. More than half of women, that is 70%, reach orgasm through direct clitoral stimulation. When someone achieves orgasm, it causes blood to rush to their pelvic region. So women experiencing regular orgasms are more likely to have 28-day cycles. An orgasm before bed can help your insomnia. The more that you orgasm, the more that your body releases a chemical called dehydroepiandrosterone. The same chemical that improves brain function and memory. Orgasms are a natural headache cure. And finally, orgasms are great, clearly, but sex can still be enjoyable without them. From Facts Only, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and drop your comment. Subscribe also if you are new.